All right, we are here at the beach, right next to our apartment here in St. Augustine. Our boat should be going up on the Har tomorrow, so we are enjoying time at the beach today. So, having fun.
Not working. I mean, this is work. This is much work.
We're working real hard. I am working on my engineering, obviously. Look at my water bottle.
I'm making a tiny little well. It's starting to be watered.
That's what it said on the sign, Birdie.
What did it say?
It said you're supposed to protect the animals. Once you dig down to water, you're not supposed to mess with the water. Because there are animals living there.
Did you hear that, Brody?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't go very far back. What does it say?
This is beautiful. My own secret language.
Just flip the letters.
No, I didn't.
Come on, make it. Yeah.
So I just at the beach. Me and Connor are trying to find some waves. I think I finally got it. I think I finally figured out how to do it. So I'm just gonna go try some more. Water going up your nose does not feel good.
Okay, we are here in St. Augustine, Florida, and we are in an apartment, and because we are having our boat hauled out. So today we are hauling out our boat. Ty is going to be captaining our boat for the very first time on his own.
I thought I was.
Nope. So here is Precious, soon to be half dozen. The boys are filling the water tanks for the last time. We soon will have to make water on our own.
Turn it up a little bit.
He wants it up. Hey, I want to show everybody this sign. It says, slow, no wake zone. So when I'm sleeping, you can't wake me up. No wake zone. Get it? No wake zone.
So does that mean once we leave this area, get hauled out, it is no longer a no-wake zone? And we can
No,
wake Aiden.
I'll just put one of those signs on my door.
It does not say no wake zone. It says slow. So we won't do it
It means
immediately.
Go
We will
slow.
not do it immediately. We'll slowly do it.
You're good.
I'm a mess.
Brody, you can take off this one right here. He's trying to help. The spot that's in the middle.
Right on.
Can't see.
Fine, I got it.
on, Brody.
Yeah, Brody's on. How was your first?
Wasn't quite prepared. I didn't have the dock lines set. I had all the fenders ready to go when we didn't need fenders, and didn't have the dock lines ready when we needed dock lines, but nice and slow and steady. And I think we made decent time. Or not decent time, but made it look decent. So
Decent transition.
I need us to go in the water and make sure everything lines up right.
So we're just out here watching our boat get pulled out, and it's pretty nervous because we read a sign and it said, whatever they do to our boat is our fault. So it makes this pretty nerve-wracking.
Insurance kicked in just in the nick of time to get hauled out. They called us about a little after 11, and we had to be here about 1. So, anything to say, Dad?
This is taking care of my baby right here.
It's about to come out of the water. Let's see, here it goes.
They might just be putting it there for spraying it off too.
It's really strong.
Yeah. Not as easy as it looks, huh?
I mean, it probably could be if I did.
Would you ever have thought being hauled out would take this long?
Nah.
Forever.
It is a long process being hauled out. We are doing it for the first time and don't know what to expect. It's hot and long. But at least right now we're in the shade. They need to have chairs sitting around here so we can sit down and rest our legs. Precious is officially on the hard.
Doesn't look too bad.
It's on the hard. No more AC. No more.
Well, we can get AC
No.
if we get an extension cord.
Power, not AC. Like limited power, I think.
Power is AC.
Not enough to power the whole boat.
Why am I so exhausted for not doing anything today?
It's hot. Okay, the first thing the kids want to do once we get on the hard. Hammocks.
Okay, so you see this boat, it's the haunted boat because it doesn't have a name, and there's a whole bunch of hornets on it. Hornets. Hornets is kind of hard to pronounce, but maybe it's just me. But
I'm barely off the ground right now. Like,
You're very far off the ground. You're just barely almost on touching the boat.
yeah, that's true. I'm gonna fall through the boat and hit the ground.
Look at those, Mom. Look at those. Those look so cool.
What?
Those clouds. All I need now is a pillow and I can sleep out here.